about the baby mother. The baby mother brought the blood clot NSC back and go over there, go tab up Kaylan. She and her auntie and her cousin and her friend them gang Kaylan and beat up Kaylan. Kaylan friend them run gone left her. And them did up on the run. And one of them wants to do the damage at the baby mother. Me and her in the same cell because then they plan to beat me up in a blood clot photo too. And they have to take me out of cell with them. When her friend them run well left her for dead, the girl them a beat her up. And then the girl them go on one hunt and hide from the police them. And police them find them. You know, long they over photo, a couple, I must say about 3 years or 2 years, and then over them. 4 of them, they must get released, left one of them. And the one will get released first, cause she go away when me still in there, and the one will do the damage, the baby mother. And the same man with them a fight for the same man called the baby mother in a jail. Me and I same cell with them for 1 year. Same cell where we pay blood clot money for officer carrying phone and weed and the thing. Them, you know everything we go on. Me dey on phone and hear conversation between them, mama, them friend, them. So, so who no fi say this and who fi go say that in a court, and who no fi say this and who fi say that, and hide this and hide that and delete this and blood clot. Did you no can't tell me no. So you know how come tell me about a sickness and it can't happen to you. Come suck me, come blood clot suck me. Oh, no nothing. And that's why I cuss. But me answer to the people then where I say it could have happened to me because I say it could have happened to me because I no fuck girl man. Me look up my one them pan application me fill out for my one them. Application me fill out for mines. Okay, I'm blood clot rest me now. Me say me not nobody will on one tear down for me. Leave me alone. When since a no can't be a no. When since somebody say no, it's illegal. I mean, I know how you can watch people pockets, so every time when I bring up when you get locked up, the people them pay for you. Yes, the people them will fuck with me, and if I get locked up right now, I still gonna have them people that will go support me. You cannot stop it. So I don't know what, I don't know what not try now. I'm from when I not try cancel me. From 2018, I win at 2026. Give up now, man. Blood clot. Give up. You see, now work. From 2018, I not try cancel IVANY. From when me did thief candy war page, I wanna say that wicked for thief smarty page we can't even better themselves. Give it up, man. At 2026 now. Me that go do something real dangerous. I'm that type of person there. For do nothing dangerous. Give up. Leave me alone. You could force me to add nobody for my life. When you force people to add people, when you turn around and say people, I look hyper for people. When they get big now, when you remember say, how we see them one did build them up. When you turn around and say, how we get I try to take fame from them. Come, hey, when you leave me alone, you know. Oh. Leave me a blood clot alone. From what you nobody know hear my mouth. Leave me alone. No blood clot ones. One. And all you know talk. All of the TikTok of them. I'm sure you own stupid. The TikTok of them when they plan live with her a play a match. What kind of help or not help her? Let me know. Can kill uno dead uno do something. So since you don't want to talk about me, let me talk about Uno. Uno is on the live with her. I want to not take out money out of phone pocket where Uno have, because the whole of Uno a billionaire over here. The whole of Uno have money. Uno will not take out the money and help her. Uno just depend on the live. Me show you see a mind game. Uno depend on the live with her. Uno a play a match with her. Because Uno a gain too. Notice. People who really want to help people, you would have on the live and play a match with her. If you did really want to help her. You go suck on the mama TikTokers to cause you can't use the mind game for me. You want to know say you a match with her too, you know. So you still get food no look. All if it's an anart it can't pound the same way. All if it's a look weird, it can't same way. If you did really want to help that girl, you that click on the live and when you have the 1,000 views, you make people them know say, boy, you remember Kaylan chat. This is Sunday. Sunday. 7 p.m. we'll take the time and we'll go in our box and see if everybody can come send her a local wheel and follow our page and give her the support. And uno can join her box. You don't have to play match for help her. Uno look something to while uno try help. You know, take nothing for uno end on life and join her box. That way you don't have to, the gift them what you get, she can get them, cause you get every day. So all I want to know the on screen it and feel like uno have blood, uno come suck me, money is the root of all evil, and could use the mind game for me. You all only can plan together and say go sat there, and you all on the rankers just go up in the box and help her. But no, you know look money to so what kind of help you know help? You know help? Can I play match and phone people a gift uno? If you really want her to get the help, give them what uno get uno and make sure say she get it. Uno just want to be on see screen so somebody can screen her call for say oh that person help. What kind of help you do? All I uno can take a $50 and a $100 out of phone pocket and send her. What kind of gift uno send her? Uno ask her for her PayPal and her cash up for uno specifically send her. Cause this I wanna do, you know. Anytime the people them want help, hear them. Chat. If you can go over there, go help. What about you, the ranker where you get money? You just a play a match and the people them recharge and give uno as ranker. And as somebody want help here uno. Chat, uno can go over there so go help the person after them just give uno. What about end your live and go cash out the local dividends where you just get and go send her $50? Or go in your bank account and send her. Cause me sure know me send her when she just come. But you don't like me, you not go see it. When people like me a gift, you that never screen a card and put it up and say, boy, IVANY support. You never do that. Cause no one when time things like this go on now, you can jump up and say, yes, she never give, but I lie no I tell. Cause I wish when she go live, ask her if me no come give her how much interseller when she did just come. Ask her if me never give her how much wheel when she just come. Ask her when she play her gospel song them if me never in a comments or encourage her. Ask her if me never tell her so the same girl them will beat her up did I try to kill me off over there too. Ask her. She can text it to her mother and make her mother come talk on live. You come suck me blood clot. I want to remember them there. But no, true me say no, it's a problem. Hey, go on here. Put my blood clot face and put me. So I'm gonna look pound over here, you know. Look pound. And it's supposed to be the last person. You know, anymore dirty. No anymore dirty. No anymore come like when you put crab in a bucket and I wash them off. Like when you got crab feel. And when I talk about the crab them in the ocean, we are talk about the crab them pan land with mud pan them. And the whole face character and mouth look like when you put mud crab in a bucket and a scour it off. Come suck me girl. You can't talk. But me the last person you have to talk about in a bitch. Oh. Go worry about the people them capture land where you not stop capture. I look like you work with HOA or something. Make you get all people who have hard working job. People who have all them good bank statement can get a house. And every day you get qualified for the people them capture land. Hey girl come suck me. And if you talk to her, I call Andrew for come inspect the house them where you so-called you get.